Welcome to Easy Driver. Planning your next road trip? Tire maintenance is crucial to ensure a smooth and safe journey. In this article, we'll share 7 essential tips to keep your tires in top shape. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful driving tips. Let's hit the road with confidence. 7 tire maintenance tips for your next road trip. Heading out on a road trip soon? Ensuring proper tire maintenance is crucial for a smooth and safe journey. Neglecting this aspect can lead to unexpected delays, potential accidents, and unnecessary expenses. That's why we've compiled 7 tire maintenance tips to help you prepare for your next adventure on the road. By following these simple guidelines, you can maximize your vehicle's performance, increase fuel efficiency, and minimize the risk of tire-related issues. So, let's get started and discover how to keep your tires in top-notch condition for a worry-free road trip. Tire pressure, ensuring a smooth road trip experience. Driving with properly inflated tires is crucial for a safe and comfortable road trip. We will explore the importance of maintaining proper tire pressure, how to check it, and the recommended levels to ensure a worry-free journey. Importance of proper tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it significantly affects your vehicle's overall performance and handling. Adequate tire pressure ensures optimal traction, stability, and maneuverability, allowing you to maintain control on various road surfaces. Secondly, proper tire inflation promotes fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires create additional rolling resistance, leading to increased fuel consumption. By keeping your tires properly inflated, you can save money on gas and extend your vehicle's mileage. Lastly, maintaining the right tire pressure improves safety. Underinflated tires are more prone to blowouts, especially at high speeds. On the other hand, overinflated tires reduce traction and make your vehicle more susceptible to skidding, especially in wet or slippery conditions. By adhering to the recommended tire pressure, you can reduce the risk of accidents and ensure a safe road trip. How to check tire pressure. Checking your tire pressure is a simple and straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your tires are properly inflated before hitting the road. 1. Gather the necessary tools. You will need a tire pressure gauge, which can be purchased at any auto supply store, and a place to get compressed air. 2. Look for the tire pressure recommendation. Refer to the manual or the sticker on the door jamb on the driver door. The information found will specify the proper tire pressure for your vehicle. 3. Inspect the tires. Visually inspect each tire for any signs of damage or punctures. Ensure there are no foreign objects embedded in the tires. 4. Check the tire pressure. Remove the valve cap from one tire, then firmly press the tire pressure gauge on the stem of the valve. Get the pressure on the gauge and compare it to the recommended level. 5. Adjust the pressure. If the pressure is low, use the air compressor to add air until it reaches the recommended level. If the pressure is high, release some of the air by activating the center pin of the valve stem with the back of the gauge or a small tool. 6. Repeat the process for all the tires. Do the same for each tire, including the spare tire if applicable. Recommended tire pressure level. The recommended tire pressure can vary depending on the vehicle make and model. It is important to follow the specifications provided by the manufacturer. Typically, the recommended tire pressure can range anywhere between 30 to 35 psi, pounds per square inch, for standard passenger vehicles. Remember that different tire sizes and load capacities may require adjustments to the recommended pressure. Be sure to always check the vehicle manual or the sticker on the driver's side door jamb for the right tire pressure values. Maintaining proper tire pressure is a vital aspect of your vehicle's maintenance routine. By regularly checking and adjusting your tire pressure, you can enhance safety, improve fuel efficiency, and enjoy a smooth and comfortable road trip experience. Section: Inspect tread depth for safety. When it comes to tire maintenance for your next road trip, one crucial aspect that should not be overlooked is checking the tire tread depth. The right tread depth is essential for ensuring traction, stability, and overall safety on the road. In this section, we will discuss why tread depth matters, how to measure it accurately, and the signs of worn-out tires to watch out for. Why tread depth matters. Tread depth plays a vital role in maintaining grip and traction on the road, especially in adverse weather conditions. The grooves on the tire surface, known as tread, are designed to channel water away from the contact patch, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. This is particularly important when driving on wet or slippery roads. Insufficient tread depth can significantly impair the tire's ability to grip the road, leading to longer braking distances and increased chances of skidding or losing control of your vehicle. It's crucial to have adequate tread depth to ensure optimal performance and safety during your road trip. How to measure tread depth. Measuring the tread depth of your tires is a straightforward process that can be done using a specialized tool called a tread depth gauge. Alternatively, you can use the penny test as a quick and simple method. Here's how to do it. 1. To use a tread depth gauge, place the probe into the tread groove and measure the depth in millimeters or inches. Repeat this process in multiple locations across each tire to ensure accuracy. 2. If you prefer the penny test, take a penny and insert it into the tread groove with the head facing down. If you can see the top of the head, it means your tire tread is worn out and needs replacement. Regularly measuring tread depth will help you stay aware of the condition of your tires and make informed decisions regarding maintenance and replacement. Signs of worn-out tires. In addition to measuring tread depth, there are several signs to look out for that indicate your tires may be worn out and in need of replacement. These signs include uneven tread wear. If the tread is more worn on one side than the other, it could be an indication of alignment or suspension issues. Bulges or cracks. Bulges and cracks on the sidewall of the tire can signify internal damage or structural weakness, increasing the risk of a blowout. Excessive vibration. If you experience unusual vibrations while driving, it may be a sign of tire wear or an out-of-balance tire. Lack of grip. If you notice reduced traction, especially in wet conditions, it could be a sign that your tires have worn out tread and need replacing. Regularly inspecting your tires for these signs of wear will allow you to detect potential problems early on and address them promptly, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable road trip. Remember, maintaining proper tread depth is crucial for your tire's performance and your safety on the road. By regularly inspecting and measuring tread depth, you can ensure that your tires are in optimal condition for your next adventure. Rotate tires for even wear. Maintaining proper tire health is crucial for a safe and comfortable road trip. One important aspect of tire maintenance is regular rotation. In this section, we will explore the benefits of tire rotation, how often it should be done, and provide step-by-step instructions for a DIY tire rotation. Tire rotation benefits. Rotation of tires is moving them from one position to another on your vehicle. This ensures that each tire wears evenly over time. Here are some notable benefits of regular tire rotation. 1. Extended tire life. By distributing wear more evenly across all 4 tires, rotation helps to extend their overall lifespan. This means you won't have to replace tires as frequently, saving you money in the long run. 2. Improved traction. Unevenly worn tires can result in reduced traction, especially during inclement weather conditions. Rotating your tires ensures that each tire maintains optimal grip, enhancing safety and handling on the road. 3. Enhanced performance. Even tire wear leads to consistent performance, including better handling, braking, and fuel efficiency. It helps your vehicle to maintain stability, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. How often to rotate tires? Tire rotation frequency depends on various factors, including vehicle type and driving habits. As a general guideline, it is wise to rotate the vehicle tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or at least once every 6 months. However, it's essential to consult your vehicle's owner manual for manufacturer-specific recommendations. DIY tire rotation steps. While tire rotation can be done by a professional at a service center, it's also possible to perform it yourself if you have the necessary tools and knowledge. Here's a step-by-step guide for a DIY tire rotation. 1. Preparing the vehicle. Put your vehicle on a level surface and set the parking brake for added safety. Make sure you have the right tools, including a lug wrench, jack, and jack stands. 2. Identify the tire rotation pattern. There are different rotation patterns for various types of vehicles, such as all-wheel drives, rear-wheel drives, and front-wheel drives. Consult your owner's manual or consult a trusted source to determine the appropriate pattern for your specific vehicle. 3. Loosen the lug nuts. Before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to untighten the lug nuts on the tires. Do not remove them completely at this stage. 4. Lift the vehicle. Using a jack, carefully lift one corner of the vehicle at a time. Place the jack stands under the frame to provide additional support and prevent the vehicle from falling. 5. Remove and reposition the tires. Once the vehicle is lifted, remove the lug nuts and take off the tires. Follow the predetermined rotation pattern and place each tire in its new position. Remember to tighten the lug nuts once the tires are in place. 6. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack and remove the jack stands. Ensure that all lug nuts are properly tightened. 7. Repeat for each tire. Repeat steps 3 to 6 for each tire, following the same rotation pattern until all tires have been rotated. With these simple steps, you can successfully rotate your tires, promoting even wear and maximizing their lifespan. Remember, if you are unsure or uncomfortable performing a DIY tire rotation, it's always best to consult a professional who can ensure the job is done correctly. Stay tuned for more tire maintenance tips in our upcoming sections. Your road trip will be smoother and worry-free with the right tire care. Maintain proper wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment is essential for ensuring a smooth and safe road trip. When your vehicle's wheels are misaligned, it can lead to various problems and compromise your driving experience. In this section, we will explore the impact of poor wheel alignment, signs that indicate alignment issues, and the benefits of professional wheel alignment versus doing it yourself. The impact of poor wheel alignment. Having poor wheel alignment can have detrimental effects on both your vehicle and your road trip. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and negatively affect your vehicle's handling and stability on the road. Additionally, it can lead to premature tire damage, increase the risk of blowouts, and even compromise braking performance. Therefore, maintaining proper wheel alignment is crucial for a safe and enjoyable road trip. Signs of wheel alignment issues. Identifying signs of wheel alignment issues is vital to address them promptly and avoid further complications. Here are some common indicators that your wheels may be misaligned. 1. Uneven or rapid tire wear. If you notice excessive wear on either the inner or outer edge of your tires, it could be a sign of misalignment. 2. Vehicle pulling to one side. When your car drifts to one side while driving on a straight road, it may indicate wheel misalignment. 3. Off-center steering wheel. If your steering wheel is not aligned properly when driving straight, it suggests possible alignment problems. 4. Vibrations or shaking. Misaligned wheels can cause vibrations or shaking sensations, especially at higher speeds. Being aware of these signs can help you identify potential wheel alignment issues and take the necessary steps to rectify them before embarking on your road trip. Thanks for tuning in to Easy Driver. We hope you found these 7 tire maintenance tips helpful for your upcoming road trip. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated, and check out Part 2 for even more essential insights. Stay safe, stay subscribed, and until next time, happy travels.